Alright, hello everybody. Today what we're going to be working on is we're going to be working on how to multiply tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's just jump right to it. Here's our first problem. Our first problem says 4 times 20. So when I think about 4 times 20, what I'm really thinking of is 4 times 2 tens. So that's what we're going to concentrate on thinking about this problem, about this tens place. So what I already know is this is the ones, tens, and hundreds. So let's move this problem right here, this part of the problem, right there, 4 times 2, and let's put it in the tens place. So let me break this apart, and what we're going to do is take this 4 times 2, and we're going to move that to the tens place. Let me show you how that works. So this part goes right there. And the reason why I put this problem here is because this tells me that it's in the tens place. So the tens goes right there together. So that's why it goes in the tens place. Okay? So 4 times 2 in the tens place. And then I know that that's 8 in the tens place. And I just put a placeholder to show 80. So if I really look at my problem then, 80 is the answer to 4 times 20 equals 80. And there's our problem. Okay? So really what I did is I took 4 times 2 and I put it in the tens place because the 2 is in the tens place, because that's 2 tens. So it's really multiplying 4 times 2 in the tens place. So see how that problem works? And that equals 80. Alright, let's check out the next one. Alright, so this one's a little bit harder. I wouldn't say harder, just different. So really what this problem says, let's ungroup it so you can see it better. Well, I guess I can't ungroup it. What we're going to do with this one is we're going to take 5 times 6, and that 6 is in the hundreds place. Okay? Alright, so let's work on that. So let's find the hundred spot. We know that that 100 spot's right there because this is ones, tens, hundreds. Let's take 5 times 6 and put it in here. And what we know about 5 times 6, you should already have an idea about 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. Then we show placeholders for that part. Excellent, good. We have a problem though. The problem with this is that there are 2 numbers in this place. You can't have 2 numbers right here. So how can I show 30 hundreds? Well, this is what I do. I can take this and move that 3 right there, because 30 hundreds is the same thing as 3 thousands. So really, if you look at it closely, here is my answer. My answer is 3,000. Let me see if I can make it look a little better. There's the 3 and the 2 zeros. Okay? So what I did is I knew that this 6 was 600 times 5. That came out to be 30 hundreds. And then I had to move the 3 because that place was more than 9. And that equals 300. Okay, one more. Let's check on this one. This is a toughie, but we still do the same kind of thing. We can look at this part of the problem first. This is 7 times 3, and this is 3,000. So 7 times 3,000. Okay, and just like in the previous videos, 7 times 3, we're going to put in the thousands place. So let's do it. 7 times 3 is in the thousands place. Remember that 10,000s place is the hundreds, tens, and ones. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then zeros. But you see our problem? Our problem is that there are 2 numbers here. You can't put 2 numbers in the same place value. So what we need to do is we need to move the one that's higher than 10, and move it to the next one. So you can see our final product is right here. It's 21,000. Okay? Even though it's kind of sloppy, but 21,000. And that's how you do multiplying by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Hope you enjoyed it.